Ever pondered what lies beyond our blue sky? How far have we ventured into the cosmos? It's a question that has captured human curiosity for centuries. Stick around as we journey through the chronicles of our cosmic ventures. The year 1957 marked the dawn of the space age. On a chilly October evening, humanity for the first time reached out beyond the confines of our planet. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite. A sphere the size of a beach ball, equipped with just a simple radio transmitter, it had an impact far greater than its modest size. Sputnik was more than just a metal ball orbiting Earth. It was a symbol of human potential. It was the first time we had sent a piece of ourselves into the cosmos, and it changed everything. For the first time, space was not just a distant, unreachable realm of stars and galaxies. It was a place we could explore, a place we could reach. The launch of Sputnik ignited a fierce competition, a race unlike any before. The United States and the Soviet Union, two superpowers locked in the Cold War, now turned their eyes to the skies. The space race was on. Each nation, driven by a mix of fear, pride, and an insatiable curiosity, sought to prove its superiority not on the battlefield, but in the vast expanse of space. This was a race that was less about speed or endurance, and more about technological innovation and scientific discovery. It was a race that pushed the boundaries of what we thought possible, that expanded our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The space race was a testament to human ingenuity and determination, a demonstration of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big and reach for the stars. Along the way, there were successes and failures, moments of triumph and tragedy. But each step, each launch, each mission brought us closer to understanding the cosmos. It was a journey of discovery, of pushing the limits, of expanding our horizons. Thus began a race, not of speed or endurance, but of technological prowess and cosmic curiosity. The dawn of the space age was not just about reaching for the stars. It was about challenging ourselves, about striving for something greater. It was about exploring the unknown, and in doing so, discovering more about ourselves. Fast forward to 1969, a year that left an indelible mark in the annals of space exploration. As the 60s rolled to a close, a mission embarked that would forever change our perception of what's possible. This was the year of Apollo 11, a mission that would take the first humans to the moon. Apollo 11 was a feat of human achievement, an endeavor of the United States National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA for short. It was a mission that had been years in the making, spurred on by the words of President John F. Kennedy, who declared earlier in the decade that America would land a man on the moon before the 70s dawned. The Apollo 11 crew was led by the man who would become a household name around the world, the commander Neil Armstrong. Alongside him were Buzz Aldrin, the lunar module pilot, and Michael Collins, the command module pilot. These three brave souls were tasked with a mission that could very well have ended in disaster. And yet, on July 20th, Armstrong and Aldrin did the unthinkable. They landed the lunar module, affectionately named Eagle, on the moon's surface, while Collins orbited overhead in the command module, Columbia. Armstrong was the first to set foot on the lunar surface, closely followed by Aldrin. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the globe, symbolizing the enormity of the accomplishment. Humanity had stretched its reach beyond the confines of our home planet, setting foot on an entirely different celestial body. The moon landing was a testament to our species' ingenuity, resilience, and sheer determination. Yet the moon landing was more than just a technological triumph. It was a beacon of hope, a demonstration that when we set our minds to a task, no matter how daunting, we can achieve it. And so, the moon landing became a symbol, a shining example of what we, as a species, are capable of when we dare to dream big. The moon landing was a monumental achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. The years that followed saw the rise of the shuttle era and international cooperation. As we left the 60s and 70s behind, the dawn of a new era in space exploration began. The 80s were marked by the launch of the first space shuttle by NASA in 1981, a monumental stride in the journey of mankind into the cosmos. The space shuttle was a reusable spacecraft, a concept that was revolutionary at the time. It could carry large payloads into orbit and return to Earth, like a spacefaring airliner. This was a game-changing innovation that opened up new possibilities for scientific research and exploration. The shuttle was instrumental in launching a number of important missions, including the deployment of the Hubble Space Telescope, which has provided us with some of the most stunning images of our universe. But the shuttle era was not just about technological advancements, it was also about international cooperation. Space was no longer viewed solely as a field of competition between superpowers. Instead, it was becoming a place where nations could come together to achieve common goals. In 1998, this vision was realized with the construction of the International Space Station, or ISS. This orbiting laboratory was a joint project between NASA, the Russian space agency Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. The ISS symbolized a new era of international cooperation in space, where nations could pool their resources and expertise to accomplish incredible things. The ISS has been continuously inhabited since November 2000, providing a platform for scientists from around the world to conduct experiments in a variety of disciplines, from astronomy and meteorology to biology and human biology. The results of these experiments have had far-reaching impacts, not just for space exploration, but for life on Earth as well. Space was no longer a battleground, but a field of international cooperation and shared scientific discovery. The new millennium ushered in the era of Mars exploration and beyond. As the calendar flipped to the 21st century, our eyes turned towards Mars, the tantalizing red gem in our night sky. The red planet, so close yet so far, beckoned us, and we answered. NASA led the charge, deploying a fleet of robotic rovers to traverse the Martian landscape. The first of these, the Mars Pathfinder, landed in 1997, but it was the twin rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, that truly captured our imagination. Launched in 2003, these remarkable machines spent years exploring Mars, unveiling its secrets and sparking dreams of a human footprint on its dusty surface. The Mars Science Laboratory, also known as Curiosity, arrived in 2012. Armed with a suite of high-tech instruments, it sought to answer the age-old question, could Mars have ever supported life? And as we speak, the Perseverance rover and its companion, the Ingenuity helicopter, are carrying on this legacy, scouring the Jezero crater for signs of ancient life. But our ambitions did not stop at Mars. The Voyager missions, launched in the late 70s, have journeyed beyond the outer planets, carrying a message from humanity into the interstellar void. Meanwhile, the New Horizons mission, launched in 2006, has given us our first close-up views of Pluto and the Kuiper Belt, the icy frontier at the edge of our solar system. Indeed, each rover, each probe we send, is a testament to our boundless curiosity, our insatiable desire to explore, to understand. They are our eyes and ears in places we can't yet reach, our ambassadors to the cosmos. So as we stand at the dawn of this new era, let's take a moment to marvel at how far we've come. From the first tentative steps on the Moon, to the rugged rovers on Mars, from the distant voyages of Voyager and New Horizons to the future missions yet to come, we are truly explorers in the grandest sense. Our curiosity has driven us to the red planet and beyond, to the very fringes of our solar system. So, what does the future hold for space exploration? As we peer into the abyss of the cosmos, we see an exciting future laid out before us. A future filled with missions to Mars, journeys back to the Moon, and ventures to the outer reaches of our solar system. Our next stop is Mars. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by the late 20s and use it as a stepping stone for Mars. The red planet beckons us with its rugged alien landscapes and the tantalizing prospect of discovering life beyond Earth. But our ambitions don't stop at Mars. Scientists and engineers are dreaming up missions to the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, and their intriguing moons. These distant worlds could provide crucial clues about the origins of our solar system and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. The future of space exploration isn't just about government agencies. The rise of private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin is revolutionizing the industry. They're developing reusable rockets, pioneering new technologies, and even planning tourist trips to space. The era of commercial space travel is upon us, and it's opening up a universe of possibilities. Yet space exploration is more than just technological advancement and scientific discovery. It's a reflection of our innate curiosity, our desire to venture into the unknown, to push the boundaries of what we know and where we've been. As we look to the future, we're not just exploring space, we're exploring ourselves. As we stand on the brink of further cosmic conquests, only time will reveal what secrets the cosmos holds for us.